Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to talk about comparison operation conditions. For example, we have learned many comparison operators in the previous video: equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and so on and so forth. We're gonna use them inside if conditions. So first of all, I'm gonna create one variable called var1. So I'm gonna store a value called dog. If you use if condition, if var1 is equal to dog, return yes, it is a dog. It is a dog. Otherwise, it says it's not dog. Okay, it is a simple program. I'm gonna say it's not dog. Okay, if I execute this program, I'm gonna say it's a dog because the var1 is equal to dog. So if I change anything, if I change this, it's gonna say it's not dog. Okay, this is a equal to operator. It is an equal to operator. So what will happen if you want to use less than or greater than operator? So basically we need to use numbers for it. So I'm gonna create a variable called a. I'm gonna store 10 in a. Then I'm gonna create another variable called b. In b, I'm gonna store 5. So now I'm gonna do some kinds of if conditions. So if a is greater than b, print yes, a is greater than b. Okay, so now if I execute this program, yes, a is greater than b. A is 10. Okay, b is 5. So a is greater than b. So if we want to use the less than operator, we can use it. So now this time the program is not going to work. The reason a is this statement says a is less than b, but a is not less than b. A is 10. 10 is not less than 5. 10 is greater than 10. Okay, greater than 5. 10 is greater than 5. Okay, like that you can use this comparison operators inside if conditions. So I'm going to change its value to 2 and 2. So if I want to test a is greater than b, it is going to say it's never going to say nothing because I should put equal to. So now this statement says if a is greater than or equal to b, that 2 is greater than or equal to 2, run this block of code. You can write how many code you want inside this block basically, but we have only tell the Python to print this. Okay, so if I run this, it's going to say yes, a is greater than b. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. There are many comparison operators we have learned like this, so make sure to practice with all of them because practice makes a man perfect. And try to practice with these things. You try to put your own numbers and try to practice it. Master this because it is very important. These logics are very important in programming. Then I will see you in the next video.